This video covers the campus dashboards. We have introduced persona-based operator experiences designed for the various operator types within CloudVision. Campus Health Overview Dashboard is one of those examples. Campus operators can use the campus landing page as a starting point for their daily tasks, including monitoring the health of the wired and wireless network, general status of the estate, and Level 1 change controls. This dashboard comprises multiple panels on network infrastructure and wired and wireless data, traffic flows and compliance data, monitor connectivity anomalies, topology view, and access to quick actions. Administrators can customize these panels they see and filter this data depending on the needs of their organization. The top 4 panels focus on the wired and wireless infrastructure and the endpoints. The Infrastructure Devices panel shows the state of the network switches and is linked to the device inventory page. CV dashboards have access to Wi-Fi data, and as one example, the Infrastructure Access Points panel shows the number of active and inactive APs, and with the integrations directly to CloudVision Q for Wi-Fi administration. Then we have the wired and wireless endpoints panels that reflect failures over time. The wired panel indicates the number of wired clients that failed authentication, where they were seen, what authentication method was used, and why they failed. The user can from here jump into the endpoint analyzer for more details on all the hosts. The wireless panel indicates the endpoint connection failures. The integration of CloudVision with CloudVision Q also provides for in-depth visibility on the wireless side of the network. On Q, administrators can investigate the reasons for connection failures, look at failure trends, and access tools like live debugging, dynamic packet capture, and spectrum analysis to troubleshoot authentication and network issues, and thereby reduce the overall mean time to resolution. While not a new feature, the Connectivity Monitor feature is particularly helpful in campus use cases, allowing us to constantly monitor reachability of important network services or end-user applications across the enterprise.
In this example, we are monitoring the connectivity to a number of resources such as Salesforce, Microsoft Teams, Intranet, etc. CloudVision Analytics establish a baseline over time and alert network operators if various metrics such as latency and packet loss across the network have changed significantly, enabling them to troubleshoot the issue before it starts impacting their users. Then we have the topology view of our network, which gives a visual representation of the physical connectivity of devices.
Next is the Events tab, informing the operator of the most critical events that might need to be looked at, or just even the informational messages regarding the health of the network. Next is the Quick Actions tab, which provides a point-and-click interface to the operator for a number of everyday tasks. We will look at these in detail in our next video. Next, we have the traffic flow information for our network. Who are the top talkers? Who is talking to who? And what all applications are being accessed, etc. Lastly, we have the Compliance Issues tab. Not only does our US software dramatically lower CV exposure than our competitors, but CloudVision can automate the detection of bugs and security vulnerabilities and the impact of those on the network and displays the information in the compliance dashboard. Along with that, we get the image and configuration compliance information and end-of-life information for both software and hardware.